Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. It's currently 6:57 and I'm on my way to work, currently at Olekasasi. So Olekasasi is around 2 kilometers from Masai Lodge. So I'm heading next to Masai Lodge, then I'll be on my way to Nairobi City. Let's go guys, and see how this day goes. So today it's quite chilly, and it's also drizzling, so I might find rain ahead. Let's go. Just past Masai Lodge. Now I'm heading to town. Yeah, I had to say hi to that matatu. Man, I could not resist it. Looks awesome. This is what it looks like, guys. Raining. And back to traffic. Currently at Wilson Airport. I'm almost getting into town, and this is the last traffic. more traffic. That's a Range Rover. As you guys can see, it's already dark and it's time to head home. Yep, it's time to go home. Start the engine. Comes alive. 6:45. Yes. Sawa, asante. Yeah, so the parking guy was confirming that I've paid for the parking. Everything is okay, so it's time to head out of here and go home, bruh. Thank you for always coming back and watching the YouTube channel, man. This is how Nairobi looks like. That's how it looks like. Yo, man. Feels good to have worked and now going home, just relaxed. No music, no noise, just thinking of everything. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Can't wait to see my dog. Can't wait to see the dog. That's the city for you guys. Shout out boobies. Shout out boobies. Traffic right from the gate. What happens when you get tired of the traffic jam? You use the expressway. Let's go, guys. We're in. Woo! Let's beat the traffic. So I'm now exiting on Capital Center. Let's see how much it will be from Haile Selassie to Capital Center. Should be 60 shillings. Hopefully they have not hiked this. Should be just 60. Wait, that was 114 shillings, guys. What? 114 shillings just to... What the heck is wrong with this country? Yeah, just got rid of the traffic, but it cost me 100 shillings to get rid of the traffic. Come on, guys. What is that? Should have better systems. Anyway, should be 60 shillings from Haile Selassie to Capital Center, not 100 shillings. Please, anyone from the expressway listening, please, yeah, take advantage of the people trying to, you know, beat the traffic and make it cheaper to use the expressway. Or you can even make it more expensive anyway. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, guys. Thank you, gentlemen. I salute you. See you in the next one.